So today we're going to make an orange cake, guys. As you can see, we have all the ingredients. Aishu Nallaponu Madri, she came early and helped me. So this is the orange zest of 3 oranges. Then we have orange juice and pulp mixed together. This is for the cake. This is just orange juice for a glaze.
Okay.
And then we have
butter.
Yes, melted butter for the cake.
Yogurt, Greek yogurt. Cinnamon powder.
Some eggs.
Fresh cream. Okay.
Our sugar, which we've mixed brown and white because we like to pretend that we're healthy. And the flour, okay? So, this is a mixture of maida and almond flour. She likes almond flour.
Yeah,
I also
I
like almond flour. So,
and there's a bit of salt.
yes.
And baking powder.
Baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and 1.5 teaspoon baking soda, which we will mention it in the recipe, which comes later. So shall we get started?
Yeah, tell me what I should do first.
First, we mix the wet ingredients.
Okay.
So the wet ingredients are butter, sugar. So butter, a good time close. Yeah. There we go. And then I'm adding the sugar. So that's 1 cup sugar and 100 grams butter. You can stir it.
Okay, come on. Talk in Tamil now.
Sorry, Tamil. Also, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து I have oven preheat பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். Settings 175 degrees Celsius.
எனக்கு அது சத்தியமா தெரியாது. I have an oven. அதுல வந்து அந்த டைமிங்கே எனக்கு தெரியாது. அது கரெக்ட்டா please mention.
175 degrees Celsius and I preheated it for 25 minutes.
25
So 25 minutes la எல்லாமே ரெடி பண்ணிட்டோம்.
Okay, super. So இது நல்லா இது பண்ணுமா mix பண்ணுமா?
Mix பண்ணிடலாம்.
Okay.
கொஞ்சம். Okay. It will melt in a few seconds. See, Aishu. What பண்ணனும்? அவ்வளவுதான். Yeah. Very good, very good.
உடைக்காம இருந்தா சரிதான்.
அதேதான். So in the meanwhile, நான் வந்து yogurt அப்படி
How much do we have to add?
1 cup yogurt, guys. I mean, sorry, half a cup yogurt, which is 100 ml. So now, okay, I've kept a spoon here. So Aishu, why don't you tell everybody? Lockdown time la enna பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க?
ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. வீட்ல உட்கார்ந்து சாப்பிட்டு நல்லா குண்டாயி.
இதெல்லாம் ஆகல.
You tell me what you did. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணீங்க?
அதான் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ல எல்லாமே இருக்கு. செடி வளர்ந்து.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Which you refuse to come and see.
Yeah, I know. I'll see it now, like after the live.
Yeah, we're going to go up and check out my terrace garden, guys, in a little while.
Yeah.
And also, I learned how to cook. Did
Wow.
You know
Yeah,
how to
yeah,
cook
yeah.
Before lockdown?
Yeah, I always.
சுத்தமா தெரியல தெரியுமா?
Today she made
Thai
chicken
curry.
Thai curry, green curry. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. சூப்பரா பண்ணிருந்தாங்க. And I'm glad you learned cooking.
Yeah, that was my big lockdown activity.
So
We'll add the eggs.
Okay, super.
So you can also come.
No, I just thought, okay. Okay, if இது வேண்டாம் இல்ல.
Really?
Okay, super.
So we'll do 2 eggs and then mix it and then another 2 eggs.
Okay.
You can keep stirring it. So
Actually, I think you've been baking cakes for quite some time.
எங்க அம்மா actually from the time I was a kid, I've always grown up seeing my mom bake, right?
சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து
Yeah.
you're telling me that.
So,
But எனக்கு வந்து இந்த லாக்டவுன்ல தான் I learned how to bake cakes and healthy
Jolly-ஆ
version.
இருக்கும்ல?
Yeah, it is super fun.
very therapeutic.
நிறைய பேருக்கு என்னோட வீட்டுக்கு வர guests and friends எல்லாருக்கும் நான் பண்ணி கொடுத்தேன். And my favorite was that pineapple upside down cake.
Nice, no?
Very nice. And mango season.
you know you can make it with mango, apple, and
Yeah, I
any
know.
fruit. It's yummy. Wait, let's put one more. So, I think I like to experiment with fruits. So
Yeah.
I என்னென்னமோ பண்ணிருக்கேன். Lemon blueberry cake பண்ணிருக்கேன். அப்புறம் mango cake, apple cake, orange cake.
Orange cake. I think orange is actually very different. I don't think நிறைய நான் இதான் first time taste பண்ண போறேன்.
பயங்கரமா இருக்கும்.
நான் பண்ணது கூட இல்ல orange cake.
So இதுதான் பண்றோம்.
Yeah.
It's actually really nice. I looked for many recipes, but so this is what we want finally. This is butter, sugar, and eggs.
Super. 4 eggs.
4 eggs. Oh, yogurt add பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
Super.
Dun, dun. I like to use Greek yogurt, but you know, you can use whatever you want. I will also put my finger in there.
Does it make any difference? Normal yogurt and Greek yogurt?
Greek yogurt is thicker.
But taste wise nothing.
Taste wise nothing.
நான் actually cake பண்ணும்போது yogurt add பண்ண மாட்டேன்.
Yogurt add பண்ணா
You told me last time, you remember?
ஒரு next level க்கு போயிடும். It looks, no?
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like, everybody. அது வந்து முட்டை, சக்கரை, butter and yogurt, correct?
Super.
Yeah. Orange juice add பண்ணலாம்.
Yeah.
Actually. This is our last and final ingredient, wet ingredients.
So you told them what is there, right? This is mix of
Orange and pulp.
Pulp. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
So in this cake we have used not 1 or 2 but 3 oranges. ஒரு orange juice பண்ணிட்டு செப்பரேட்டா வச்சிருக்கோம். This is for the glaze. And the other 2 oranges, we juiced them and got the pulp. And of course the orange rind, which is very important because this gives a nice bitter flavor.
Yeah. And tell them I did this.
Yes, I started
Solliyacha, okay.
Pinna Aishu அவர்கள் தான் இந்த orange rindai பண்ணாங்கோ. We'll keep some on top. We'll sprinkle it on top of the cake for decorative purposes. I think that's looking good, yeah.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, it's looking very
Hey, ரொம்ப சீக்கிரமா பண்ணிட்டோம் ஐஷு. என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல.
ரெண்டு பேர் இருக்கும்ல.
We'll just keep, yeah, we have to add the flour. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா add பண்ணலாம்.
Yeah, where's the spoon?
வேண்டாமா
அப்படியே, okay.
கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா. Should we get a spoon?
I'll get a spoon.
Sorry. இல்ல அந்த scoop. Careful. This one. Best ga.
So tell me one thing, okay? I always had this doubt. ஏன் அந்த flour வந்து கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா add பண்ணனும் because அது திட்டு
lump ஆயிடும். lumpy ஆயிடும். அதனால எங்க அம்மா எத்தனை வருஷமா அவங்க வந்து ஒரு மிஷின் யூஸ் பண்ணாம அவங்க கையில தான் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க.
நான் கூட சொன்ன மிஷின் எடுத்துட்டு
ஷார்ட்கட்ஸ்
சமோ
யா ஃபுல்லா போடுறோம். But anyway, actually ரொம்ப நாள் கழிச்சு நான் இது பண்றேன். Cake, which doesn't mean I've not been baking, guys. I've been baking secretly.
Secretly?
Okay, not so secretly, but still. I've just not been showing off on Instagram. I counted the number of cakes I've done. I've tried 10 different cakes in this
lockdown. Okay, which was the best one?
Actually, this orange cake is really, really good.
Okay.
Really, really good. All my cakes, I love them.
Have you tried cheesecakes?
இல்ல அதையும் ட்ரை பண்ணல.
நீ
ட்ரை பண்ணிருக்கியா? நான் ட்ரை பண்ணல. But I think my personal favorite is the lemon blueberry cake. I'll tell you what all I have. Carrot cake, banana bread cake, it was all same. Then there's this one orange cake, that's 3. Then the mango upside down cake, that's 4.
Yeah. That
then
I saw,
lemon blueberry cake, that's 5. Then a plain vanilla choco chip cake. Then a chocolate zucchini cake. அது ஒன்னு பண்ணேன்.
Chocolate zucchini cake.
நல்லா இருக்கும். பயங்கரமா இருக்கும்.
சத்தியமா கேக்கவே நல்லா இருக்கும்.
You won't even taste the zucchini in the cake.
Why do you have to make chocolate zucchini cake?
Because the zucchini adds moisture to the cake, and you think, okay, you're eating vegetables, so it's cool.
This is really.
Then I made a chocolate ganache cake. I made a chocolate ganache cake.
Wait.
And I made a bread pudding. So put the variety in. Overall, quite. Oh, apple cake! I forgot to add apple cake to the list. Yes.
Yeah. So we are almost done now.
Yeah, I know. Guys, it's so much nicer to bake with somebody, actually.
It's easier, no?
So much easier. And
it's
also
fun.
more fun.
Yeah.
Look at that cake.
So let's share something, okay? I'll tell something about Andrea, okay? நாங்க வடச்சென்னை ஷூட்ல இருக்கும்போது எனக்கு ஆண்ட்ரியா வந்து அவ்வளவா பழக்கம் இல்லை. And we both used to share the same caravan. And then எங்களுக்கு மியூச்சுவல் ஃப்ரெண்டே வந்து எங்களோட ஸ்டைலிஸ்ட் அமிர்தா தான். So she used to like என்னோட கேரவன்ல கொஞ்ச நேரம் அவங்களோட வேனிட்டில கொஞ்ச நேரம். So
basically அவங்க என்ன சொல்வாங்கன்னா ஒரே கேரவன்ல ரெண்டு டோர்
இருக்கும்.
ஒரு பக்கம் நாங்க ஒரு பக்கம்
அதுதான் நடுவுல ஒரு டோர் இருக்கும். ஆண்ட்ரியா பாட்டு பாடினாலும் அங்க சத்தமா பேசினாலும் எனக்கு கேட்கும்.
ஐஷு வந்து யாரோ திட்டிட்டு இருப்பாங்க போன்ல சிரிச்சிட்டு இருப்பாங்க ஏதோ.
அது எல்லாம் நான் திட்டது அவங்களுக்கு கேட்கும். சோ நாங்க ரொம்ப நாளா வந்து பேசிக்கவே இல்லை. அதுக்கப்புறம் we became very good friends, you know. And then ஒரு பெரிய பேக் எடுத்துட்டு வருவாங்க. And அந்த பேக் ஃபுல்லா ஈட்டபிள்ஸ் தான், தீனி பண்டாரம்.
What is life without snacks?
Yeah, எல்லா ஸ்நாக்ஸும் வச்சிருப்பாங்க. நீங்க நினைப்பீங்க like she's a fitness freak, but she loves cakes, biscuits, chocolates எல்லாமே இருக்கும். And அவங்களோட ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டியே வந்து காஃபி தான். And she'll make very very nice coffee, guys.
By the way, I make coffee ice cream.
Wow, I think you should do one day. நீங்க காஃபி பண்றது வந்து once liveல போடணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
பண்ணலாமா? இப்பவே பண்ணலாமே. It's a process. It's a joy. It's a
you want to see her make coffee? If you guys say yes, then I'll ask her to make coffee.
அவங்க சொல்வாங்க என்ன காஃபி தானே இது.
அது மாதிரி இல்ல, but she makes a very very different coffee. It's not like the regular coffee.
Aeropress baby.
Aeropressல ரொம்ப வித்தியாசமா சூப்பரா பண்ணுவாங்க.
செட்ல எல்லாரும் என் காஃபி தான் கேட்பாங்க.
ஆமா, வெற்றி
கேரவான்ல அப்படி யாரும் வந்து தரணும். மேடம் சார்
டீ கடை வச்சிருக்கிற மாதிரி கேக்குறீங்க.
இதெல்லாம் நடந்தது.
Yeah, so but we had great fun shooting for Vadachennai. And நிறைய விஷயங்கள் you know like night shoots எல்லாம் போகும். And then we'll sit and சாப்பாடு, அந்த சாப்பாடு தான் மெயினா ஹைலைட். என்ன சாப்பிடலாம் இன்னைக்கு, என்ன ஆர்டர் பண்ணலாம்.
ரொம்ப what is that big place? EVP அங்க செட் போட்டு சரியான சாப்பாடு, like no good restaurants.
Yeah, we used to
but we found one dhaba. We ordered palak paneer.
Sangeeta.
Sangeeta. அது அருமையான பாலக் இல்ல, it was really good.
Yeah, it was very good. We used to try அப்பப்போ ஏதாவது, பட் நிறைய
ஐஷு வந்து நான் வெஜிடேரியன்ல சாப்பிட மாட்டேன் அப்படி நான் ஃபீல் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
பியோர் நான்வெஜ், நான் வந்து பியோர் நான்வெஜ் தான். நான் வந்து இல்லனா எனக்கு
but she ate the palak paneer.
Yeah, I ate the palak paneer. Okay, what next?
That's
done.
We're done. Let me just check on the oven. We have to pour it into the cake. Pour this batter into the cake. So just stir that up.
You're sure we're done?
ஆமாமா, அவ்வளவுதான்.
15 minutes ல.
Yeah, எல்லாமே ரெடி பண்ணி வெச்சிட்டோம்ல. ஒரு final touching க்கு we can add some. This is a bottle of orange essence.
Orange essence. Yeah.
It's not part of the recipe. It's an extra fitting.
Extra fitting.
Extra fitting. ஆமா, நிஜமாவே it's an extra fitting. So we just put one. சும்மா
ஜாலியா.
I put butter.
Okay.
The tray is being greased. The people who have watched these baking episodes before will know all this.
Okay, now you do it.
You want to taste the batter?
I can.
Yeah, I think we should. It's always important to taste your batter.
It's perfect.
Innu chakra venuma?
No.
Sure, no?
No.
Sure, la? Sure. Confident.
Pakka.
Orange சாப்பிட்ட மாதிரியே இருக்குல்ல?
It's actually very nice.
So orangey and fresh cake. So come closer. So that's orange cake batter, guys. So I always do this at the end. Don't worry, man. So fresh and nice.
Yeah, you can just show them this.
Yummy. So now we're going to put some
batter.
Yeah. இதுக்கு மேல என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon.
Yeah.
Cinnamon and orange is a great combo, by the way. And cinnamon will brown the top nicely. So these are the reasons why we want to add some cinnamon and இருக்கிற orange zest on this sprinkle.
Super.
You can do that.
Done. Should I just?
That is really good, yeah.
Yeah. Should I just bring it? Wait.
What happened?
Just check. This is tight, right?
Yeah, I think so.
கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா மூவ் ஆச்சு.
Oh, it's okay. Should put this in the oven. Okay, be careful. The oven is hot. I mean, I'm just telling myself that. It's hot. Okay. Yeah. 35 minutes. Okay. My house is going to smell of an orange very soon.
Yeah.
So sweet. Thank you. Now we're going to do the orange. The glaze.
Glaze. Yeah.
Glaze. Just putting away everything in the.
So you're gonna melt the chocolate, right? You're gonna use this
final touch. Final. That's for the orange glaze. So now, guys, what we're gonna do is this is juice of 1 orange, half a lime, plus I have 100 grams of sugar and some cinnamon. And no, we don't need it. So I'm gonna pour this in here.
That's like 1 orange, right?
Juice of 1 orange and half a lime. I'm gonna put some cinnamon because I like cinnamon and everything. And the chakrais. Whoa. Yeah, we just keep stirring it. So this flame is on low anyway. You went for some press meat, la?
Yeah.
What did you go for?
I went for today.
A
movie is releasing.
Which movie?
It's called Carpe Ranasingam.
Oh. Aisha's movie is releasing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to break all the lumps.
Yeah. And we'll have to melt the chocolate also.
That's in a issue. You know, once I start shooting, I'm gonna miss all this actually. That's la?
Yeah.
Kitchen irukada.
Yeah. வீடு இருக்குமா மறந்து
வீட்ல உட்கார்ந்து ஓ
ஆக்சுவலா இப்போ என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா இது ரொம்ப பழகிடுச்சு
எனக்கும் தான் so that's
I started liking this actually
no? Settled life because yeah when we keep shooting we don't know what's normal and what's not வாழ்க்கை அப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்கு
yeah முழுவதுல என்ன நடந்து கூட தெரியாது
example what I'm going to do is I've got some chocolate, cooking chocolate, guys, and I'm gonna chop this up, melt it, and make a chocolate ganache out of it. So, how you make a chocolate ganache? It's really easy. You just use equal portions chocolate and fresh cream. Simple. So, I love chocolate and orange as a combination. It's one of my favorite combinations. So that's what I'm gonna do. Do you miss anything about lockdown life? I miss the empty rooms.
Actually, you should have such a Sunday lockdown.
Okay, this is really hard because
we can just melt it like that, Andy.
The smaller it is, the better. Because otherwise it won't melt so quickly.
See? You can just do it with your hand. Simple. It's very simple. Just break it like this, no?
Hey, you're just breaking the cubes, yeah. I cut poni vekkaren paaru. Man, this is really hard. I made a mistake, guys. I should have taken the chocolate out earlier, but I forgot. If it melts a little bit, it becomes easier to cut.
No, it will melt like this. Try it. Try it.
Then you just put it in the bowl, on the garlic bowl. Best on the glass bowl. I put in the microwave. Oh my god, we forgot about our glaze. Oh no. Every time I do this, I forget about something. Shit.
Okay, it's It's fine, right? Nothing happened.
Oh no.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, no, wait. Adla maavu enna konjam we have to wash it. Konjam wash. Rinse panna. Rinse பண்ணிட்டு மிக்ஸில ரைஸ் பண்ணிட்டு. That's all.
Podma?
Yeah, let me just wait. So it's a chocolate orange.
Go for it.
I really think we should cut it a little bit, yeah. I don't like this. Oh no. It's okay. 5 second rule. 5 seconds.
இதுக்கு தான் சொன்னேன்.
சரி முடிஞ்சிச்சு. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I'm giving up. Okay, one last piece. Okay.
No, Auntie.
Sari, go. This is my favorite cake topping. You can do this for anything. It's just chocolate and fresh cream. Simple, easy, and yum. And you can do your own variations on this. Like, how do I say it? You can add cream cheese and make it cream cheese frosting, or you can add salt, but we don't want to add salt because we have orange as a flavor. So either now, I've learned the hard way that sometimes is it milk will come out. Enachu. Cream adi. Very good girl. Oh, see, that's why. See, we don't want all that in
நல்ல வேளை மூஞ்சில
Hey,
give.
no. See, கொஞ்சம் தனித்தனியா வருதுல்ல? Oh my god. போதும். தண்ணி அப்படியே ஊத்திட்டு. என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு பாரு.
I think it's done.
No. Let it be. Okay, guys. I mean, this is basically it. Wow, this is really making all kinds of so weird. Anyway, it's cool. So I'm adding the cream to the chocolate. Okay? And I'm just going to pop it in the microwave. It's cooking.
Andy, check
that's
this. I mean, I think it's ready.
Oh yeah, it's done. It's
done.
Caramelized nicely, la?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Look at that.
Yeah, bath. Well done. Super. Nalla irukku.
Best. Done. Okay, now everything is done.
Now we'll just pour this over the cake once it gets done.
Yeah. I always like my kitchen to be really clean.
Yeah.
But Andy,
Hey, it's not my fault. It just squirted all over the freaking place. I think we can have a coffee.
yeah, maybe you can teach them how to make a coffee. Yeah. See, come on, guys. I promised you, no? Okay, we'll ask her to make Andy's special coffee. Okay, come on, Andy.
See, it's not melted.
It's not.
But it's okay, we'll do it again. No problem. I get it. Okay, maybe, konjam.
But I think it's done.
Coming
It's
out.
done, Andy.
It'll be a little lumpy because of the big chocolate pieces, but we can pop it in the microwave again. It's not a big deal.
Oh, it smells really good.
Oh, it smells really good, la. So ganache is basically, it depends on the quality of your ingredients. If you get good quality chocolate, you get good quality ganache.
Yeah.
Simple.
I think it's done.
Cream are used. these whoosh noises coming in. Yeah, man. Like, what the hell?
Hey, I think this is really good. இதுக்கு மேல கொஞ்சம்
watery and taste my God. Sure, I கொஞ்சம் போடலாம்ல.
Okay, போடுமா போடு. நல்லா மெல்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. Go make your coffee.
Okay, fine. Basically, you want a coffee.
Yeah, I want a coffee.
Fine. Okay, there's a little seed. I will remove it. Adava.
Yeah.
Can you smell the orange? Oh. Done. So this is our glaze, which we're gonna just smear. Here.
Whoa.
ரொம்ப திக்காயிடுச்சு. பரவாயில்லை. Taste.
But பரவாயில்லை.
Taste பயங்கரமா இருக்கும். Dude, this cake is looking epic. La?
Yeah, it's really good.
Guys, this is our beautiful orange glazed cake.
I'll just bring up a small plate.
I always sing when I'm happy and also